Tokyo, Reuters. Asian shares were mostly weak on Wednesday with investors cautious after U.S. President Donald Trump tempered optimism over progress made so far in trade talks between the world's two largest economic powers. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan, MIAPJ0000PUS, was down 0.2%, while Japan's Nikkei and 225 lost as much as 1.4% to hit a 1-1/2 week low, and the Shanghai Composite Index SSEC retreated 0.6%. A man looks at an electronic stock quotation board outside a brokerage in Tokyo, Japan, February 9, 2018. Reuters, Toru 9 Wall Street, B.S. Trump said on Tuesday he was not pleased with recent trade talks between the United States and China, souring the improved market sentiment following weekend comments from U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin that the trade war is on hold. His remarks followed Beijing's announcement that it would cut import tariffs for automobiles and car parts. Trump also floated a plan to fine ZTE Corp. 00063 SZ0763 HK and shake up its management as his administration considered rolling back more severe penalties. The market probably became overly optimistic on Monday. The reality is the talks are still continuing as they haven't made headway on various issues, including intellectual property, said Norihiro Fujito, senior investment analyst at Mitsubishi UFJ Morgan Stanley Securities. Further weighing on prices of risk assets, Trump also said there was a substantial chance his summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un will not take place as planned on June 12 amid concerns that Kim is resistant to giving up his nuclear weapons. There are many uncertainties in the air. We still don't know whether U.S.-North Korea summit is possible, and scandals continue to drag Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's popularity, said Yasuo Sakuma at Libra Investments. Investors fret Abe's long-running cronyism scandal could attract more attention as the Ministry of Finance is due to release related documents on Thursday. Many investors are sitting on the sidelines. Personally, I haven't done much trading over the past week, after the earnings season. The current price levels are not really attractive. I'm waiting for a 5% correction. The cautious mood helped to underpin bonds. The 10-year U.S. Treasuries yield US 10YT equals RR stood at 3.054%, off Monday's near 7-year high of 3.128%. As lower U.S. yield sapped the appetite for the dollar, the euro traded at $1.1754 euro equals, hovering above Monday's 5-month low of $1.1717. Against the yen, the dollar slipped 0.4% to 110 Japanese yen and 47 cents equals from Monday's 4-month high of 111.395. The biggest mover in the currency market was the Turkish lira TRYTOM equals D3, which fell more than 2% early on Wednesday to a record low of 4.8450 after rating agencies sounded the alarm on Tuesday over plans by President Tayyip Erdogan to tighten his grip on monetary policy. The lira has fallen almost 15% so far this month. In commodities, oil prices held firm near 3-1/2-year highs on potential supply concerns surrounding Venezuela and Iran. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude CLC1 futures traded little changed at $72.01 a barrel, a 0.26% loss. They touched $72.83 a barrel, the highest since November 2014, on Tuesday. Brent LCOC1 futures stood at $79.23 a barrel. Last week, the global benchmark topped $80 for the first time since November 2014. Bitcoin BTC equals BTSP dropped below $8,000 to 5-week lows, entering a downtrend channel on technical charts. The cryptocurrency last traded at $7,903.61, down 1.0% on the day. Reporting by Hideyuki Sano and Tomo Ute, editing by Sri Navaratnamore Standards. The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.